Fa Family Muslima.
Hi kids, let's start making together a watermelon ice cream. This is summer and watermelon ice cream is very cool. First we make a triangle and then the outer part is in board shaped. So let's do it. Now we make a stick. Do you know kids? A watermelon has so many black seeds. These seeds are so thin and small that they can even chew and digest easily. So let's make black seeds of watermelon ice cream. Now we are going to color it so it looks so much cool. This is color red. Watermelon has red colored. We are doing color very carefully so the edges will be clear. We leave the seed part and color the whole watermelon ice cream red color. I love the red color and I hope you also love the red color and watermelon too. Our watermelon ice cream looks so cool now. Our red color is almost done. Now we are doing green color in the outer part. Yes, watermelon has green color from the outer part. This is color green. Now the stick is in brown color. Yes, this is brown color. Our watermelon ice cream is ready. I love it and hope you kids also love it. Give your love to this ice cream, like and share it.
Family Muslima for learning, playing and coloring videos for kids and toddlers. Allah Hafiz and bye-bye.